In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the text tone on your iPhone. Changing the text tone allows you to personalize your device and differentiate between different types of notifications. Follow these simple steps to customize your iPhone's text tone easily. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Haptics. After that, tap Text Tone. And now you can tap and select any of these tones to be your text tone. Just tap on anything you like, and it will play a little preview of what it's going to sound like. Once you've chosen your text tone, go back. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.